faut bien nettoyer l'endroit là où il y avait la colle. Comme ça, la prochaine fois quand vous allez mettre la colle, ça va pas prendre, comment dire, une petite épaisseur. Parce que l'ancienne colle, si vous l'enlevez pas et vous allez remettre la cachette arrière, ce qui va faire que le glace de arrière là, il va être un peu monté, il va pas être fixe à sa place. Voilà, maintenant on va dévisser tous les vis là qui sont là pour enlever ce truc de coque là. Enfin, c'est pas son coque, c'est son body, voilà. Qu'on va l'enlever et puis après on va voir l'écran comment il va être. Now we have unscrew all the screws. And what we have to do is just to take off the body and to separate it from the other. Now we're gonna take off all those circuits which are connected to a motherboard. For example, like camera, speakers, sensors, everything we have to disconnect. On this part of the charging port and AUX auxiliary port, we have to disconnect everything like antenna, and we're gonna put it on the new LCD that we bought. Hold on. Here's our new LCD. Okay, we're gonna put all these things on the new LCD. Now we are going to disconnect all the cables. This is our camera, front camera. Here we go. Now we are disconnecting all the cables which are connected to our motherboard. This is, I think this is a LED light that we can replace on the new LCD. Now it is placed on the new side. While removing every component, be careful. I think we have to remove the battery first of all, which is disturbing us. No, the battery is removed. So what we have to do is just be careful, because we already have the glue on the new LCD. Have a look. This is the prepared glue. So now we are going to take the plastic protection. Now we are going to replace our battery on the new LCD. Here our new battery, here our new LCD, and the battery is placed on the new LCD. Now we have our camera here. We have to place it here. Now the next step, what we have to do is to remove speaker and sensors, and to replace it on the new LCD. Here we got our LED light, so we are going to take it off correctly but be careful, because here we got a lot of glue. No, it's okay. So here is our earpiece, ear speaker. Here we are. Now this small piece is joined to the flex cable, earpiece, sensors, and the light, LED light. So now we are going to place it on our new LCD. So what we do is to put a speaker on its right side, and then I think we are doing something wrong. The battery is to start by LED. So put your LED on the side. Now it's ready. Okay. Here is our infrared light. This is our infrared light. Okay. Now what we have to do is to take out this is a charging jack. Okay, we have to take it out because this is not working. This is not working, so I have bought a new one to replace on the new LCD. Now this is our new LCD, and here's our ancient LCD. So what we have to do is to take off the screws. So now we have disconnected the charging port, touch panels, and AUX port. Now we are going to replace it by the new one. The new one is here. Now we can be very carefully take out the protections on the touch panels, because they got a little bit glue. So this has been removed. We are going to make it step by step. So I think this will be a little difficult because these glues are very strong. So here we are. Now this is our last LCD. Now this is our new one LCD. So what we have to do is to put it carefully on the new one. So here we are. So please be carefully while putting this on its side, because it can be cut off. It can be cut off. I don't know how to explain, but it can be. There's a little bit. I don't know if you are looking on the right side. This is a flex cable. It can be disassembled. So be carefully while you are paying something on internet to buy to make a comment. So what we have to do the next is to put two screws. One is here and the other one is here. The first one is okay, and now I have to put the second one. If you have a look on the new screen, here we are looking at this is a new one and this is the last one. Look how it is damaged. Now what we have to do the next thing is just to I think just to remove this thing and to put in the new side. So now to take it off, this one we have the one side, put something like screwdriver, like if you have the equipments which are special for telephone. So no, I think it is a remote, because there's too much coil, which too much glue which is strong. Now what we are doing now, I think everything has been placed. So what we have to do, this is the last piece. It is not working, so now we're gonna put the motherboard. We have to connect all the antennas with the flex cable. So we are going to start with the first one. Hold on. I think this one is connected. Yeah, this one is connected from the back side. Next one, this is for the port to make a light on the screen. Now second one is connected. Now we are going to connect the antennas. The first one is connected. So be careful while putting the wire in the body of the phone. So the next one, okay, now it is fixed. This is a battery wire. This wire we're gonna connect in the last. Okay, so no, this is a screen wire, and this is also a screen wire. So we have connected a screen wire. Now what we have to do the next is to put a speaker wire which is connected to antenna. Now it is connected. So the next thing is to put a camera on its place. Now this is also connected. I think we have to make a one verification on all the flex cables. If you are doubt that there's such a thing which is not functioning, so what we have to do is to be careful while connecting the cables on the right way. Now we got only the last thing is to connect the battery cable. So here we are connected. Now what we have to do the next thing is to put a body on the telephone. So now here we got the body of the telephone, but if you have a look, I don't know if you're looking well, we got too much sand inside. Even it is not clean, so what we have to do is to take a brush and to clean it very well. Now here we're going to put the same body on the telephone. So if you have a look, I think everything is going well. So now we are going to start it from the upside, from the top. So when I'm looking on the body side, I think it's better to start from the bottom, because the bottom is here we got a charging port, we got a auxiliary port. So I think it's gonna be better to start from the bottom side. Now okay, now here everything is ready. So what we have to do is to put a screws on the LCD. So I think it is not charged. No, it's not charged. So what we have to do before closing everything, we have to test either everything is working very well, or if it got a neutral fault. So now I think everything is okay. I think the battery was dead 4 to 5 months, so it's normal that it is taking a time to start for the first time. So now we have closed all the screws. The next step is just to take out the protections and to put a new glass on the back side. This is a cover, so now here we got already glue, so we don't need to put extra glue on the side. Now what we have to do is to place it slowly and just to put from the sides. Like, still we are waiting for the phone to have a look on its new starting. Now we got our new Galaxy S6 Edge. So be carefully while you're putting the back cover on the side, because there's if you find the last piece of glue on the body, so please clean it before putting a new cover on the same side, because if you're not cleaning the cover, you have to see that the body cover will take 2 millimeter for to outside. It means your body cover is not on its side, on its right way. So if you have this problem, so I advise you to take the cover and to clean the last glue before putting a new cover on the side. Now have a look on the telephone. It is charging 3% after 10 to 20 minutes. So this is our old one, LCD with the body. Now what we have to do, we have to recover this cover, and it's gonna be useful for the next videos.